Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks to help you succeed when recording a video on your phone or computer. These tips will help you place your recording device, light your video correctly, find the perfect background, and make your audio the best quality. First, let's talk about placing your recording device. Place your recording device horizontally. Vertical videos will have black bars in the sides that can be distracting, but when you record horizontally, the video will fill up the entire screen. If standing, record yourself from the waist up. If sitting, place your recording device at eye level or as close to it as you can get. Avoid angles that make the viewer feel like they're looking up at you. Make sure to look directly into the lens of your recording device instead of the screen you're recording on. And make sure the lens of your recording device is clean before you start recording. Next, let's talk about how to light your video. One of the main things you want to avoid when recording yourself is being backlit, meaning that you do not want to stand or sit with your back facing your lighting source. Doing this can make you appear under or overexposed. Instead, try to stand looking at your lighting source, like so, with your recording device in front of the lighting source and you behind the recording device. You can see the difference in these 4 shots, 2 on a phone and 2 on a computer, between when I'm backlit and when I'm facing the lighting source. The best lighting source to use would be natural light. Try to find a window that provides a large amount of natural light and set your recording device up so that you're facing the natural light directly. Now, let's talk about background. Finding a background that is non-distracting is really important. Your background should be free of things such as large windows, distracting artwork that could be read by the viewer, or clutter. Finally, let's talk about ways to make your audio a good quality. So the best way to get good quality audio would be to use an external microphone, like a lavalier mic or a snowball mic, but most people just don't have those laying around. Instead, you could use a pair of wireless headphones like AirPods connected to your recording device that will pick up the sound if it's in your ear. You could also use wired headphones. Make sure that the area you're recording in is quiet. If you have roommates, let them know when you'll be recording. Or you could try to find a private area to record in, like a study room, if you live on campus. Those are some tips and tricks that you could use to succeed when recording yourself on a phone or laptop. Just to recap, when placing your recording device, place it horizontally and make sure that it's at eye level. With your lighting, avoid being backlit and try and use natural light. Your background should be clear and clutter-free. And in order to get the best audio, try using a pair of wired or wireless headphones in your ears. And make sure that the area is quiet.
Thank you for watching.